Good morning, friends. So, exercise 3.3 already started, and in question number 1, I told two parts. Okay. So, today also I will discuss some parts of this question. Okay. So, this fifth part, solve the following pair of linear equations by a substitution method. Okay. So, these two equations are given, and you have to solve and find values of x and y. Okay. So from A you can find, so from equation 1, okay, you find x. So under root 2x, this transfer that, so 0 minus under root 2y. So x is equal to this equation. So you found obtained value of x from equation 1, then putting value of x in equation 2. So putting value of x in equation 2. So equation 2, so under root 3 into, in place of x, okay, minus under root 8y is equal to 0. Then simplify it. So this 2 times root and same value, so root will remove these 3 upon root. Okay, y minus under root 8. So under root 8 factorize it. 8 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 means 1 pair. So from that, one value will be out. So 2 under root 2 y is equal to 0. Clear? So after this, see here. Okay. So y take common from both and then take LCM under. So here minus 3 minus 2 under root 2 into under root and is equal to 3. Clear? So I 2 under root 2 into under root 2, 2. So minus 3 minus 4. And by root 2 multiply in 0. So 0 into any number except 0, that will be 0. So minus 7y equal to 0. So y equal to 0. Then putting y value in any equation, first, second or third, you can find x. So from equation third, we can get, so x is equal to minus under root 3 upon under root 2 into y, that is 0. So x and y both 0. Okay. And also, after that also you can verify. So putting x and y 0, so this 0 plus this also 0, and their sum will be 0. 0 minus 0 also verified. Clear? Part third, please. Cx minus 5, this equation, and second 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. So 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. So from that, you can left hand side you can take 3 common. So 3x minus y is equal to 9. So 3x minus y is equal to this equation. So first and second both equations, after simplifying this, second equation, this equation, both are coming same. Clear? And if both equations are same, their left hand side and right hand side, if separately equal, same, then these two equations, okay, we cannot find their x and y values by substitution method. Why? Because here x and y, they are infinite number of solutions. Okay, this also their condition, okay, that you will understand later. That condition I will tell you later. Okay, but now you try to understand. If both equations same, then they have infinite number of solutions. Okay. So for that also condition you can write a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c. Okay. This is condition. If two equations, they are satisfying this condition. So these equations having infinite number of solutions means x and y, their infinite number of values will come. Clear? So also you can check. Maybe in your mind can come that if not solving this, then how will understand that they are having infinite number of solutions. So for that also condition. So a1, you compare equations a1x plus b1y is equal to, by this you compare it. And second one, by this a2x plus b2y is equal to, so a1 3 and a2 9, b1 minus 1 and b2 minus 2, c1 3 and c2 9. So 3 by 9 cancel. So 1 by 1, no need to write. This also 1 by, this minus cancel. Clear? So 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Means satisfying the condition. Clear? So if both equations coming same, so what we write here? You write here these two equations having infinite number of solutions means x and y, their infinite number of values. Clear? Then question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. And second one, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 20. So solve these two equations and hence find the value of m. Okay. So this equation 1 and this equation 2. So by substitution method you find x and y value. So now equation 1. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 3. Then x is equal to 11 minus 3y upon this equation. Then putting x value in equation 2. So putting value of x in equation 2. We get, so 2x, so 11 minus 3y upon 2 minus 4y equal to, so 2 cancel, so 11 minus 3y, okay, minus 4y equal to minus 24. So place is not there, then here I am. So 11 minus 3y minus 4y minus 11y is equal to this. Okay. So minus 11y is equal to minus 24. minus 35. So y is equal to minus 35 upon minus 7 minus minus cancel. So 5. Y value 5. Then putting y value in any equation 1, 2, 3. Okay, so after this doing here. So from equation third. Okay, we get, so x is equal to 11 minus 3y is 5. So 11 minus 15 upon 2 minus 4 upon 2 is equal to minus. Okay, so solution of x 30 minus 2 and y 30. Also you can check your answer. Process tool. Put in left hand side. So 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 3 into 5 15. So 15 minus 4 11. And like this second also. And find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. And hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So y equal to mx plus 3. So x and y values after solving these equations we obtain. Then putting x and y values here. By that we will find m value. So y is 5 is equal to m into minus 2 plus 3. So this minus 2m plus, so minus 2 transfer this side. So 3 minus 5 minus. So m is equal to divide by 2 minus. Okay. So this is the value of. Question number third, that is related word problems. In that given 6 parts. Okay. So some parts I will tell that how to make equations. If word problems are given, then how to make equations. From the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. So first one, question first. The difference between two numbers is 26. So first suppose two numbers. Let two numbers are x and y. Okay, where x greater than y. We suppose x greater than y. Because two numbers. So in two numbers, one will be less than another, or first one greater than another. So you can take x greater than y or x less than y also you can take. So the difference between two numbers is 26. According to question. Difference, so x minus y 26. That equation. And one number is 3 times the other. One number, so this is bigger number. So bigger number again. You can write again according to question. So one number is 3 times the other. So this is x greater than y. So surely this number will be 3 times of that other number. So x is equal to 3y. Very simple. Then find x and y. So directly add x is equal to 3y. Then put in equation first. So from equation 1, we get, so in place of x you write 3y minus y is equal to 1. So 2y is equal to, so y is equal to 30. Means one number that is 30. Then putting y value in equation second. So from equation 2. Okay. So equation 2, that is in any one or two. So x is equal to 3y. So 3 into 13 is 30. Clear? So solution is x is equal to 39 and y is equal to 13. Two numbers. And also you can check your conditions. So difference of two numbers, 39 minus 13, 26. And one number is 3 times another number. So 39 also you know that 3 times of 13. You read table of 13, 13 1 13, 13 2 26, 13 3 39. Clear? So like this. So questions are simple, only you have to make equations. Second part, the larger of two supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, you know that when sum of two angles 180 degree. Sum of two angles 180 degree. So these angles called supplementary angle. So one angle suppose x, another suppose y. So second part, I am telling you, you try to do from yourself. Let x and y are two supplementary angles. Clear? So their sum will be 180 this equation. The larger of two supplementary, and suppose x is greater than y. Suppose that and the larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18. Larger x, so larger angle is 18 degree, exceeds the smaller by 18 means bigger angle is okay, larger angle that is 18 degree more than smaller angle. Clear? Exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. So this one more. No need to transfer y directly. So x is equal to y plus 18. You put in equation first and then find y value. After finding y, putting y value in equation to find x value. Okay, and remaining you can try from yourself. Okay, thank you.